Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade elderberry syrup. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of dried elderberries, 4 cups of water, and a natural sweetener such as 1 cup of honey or maple syrup. This simple recipe will guide you through creating a beneficial syrup right in your own kitchen. It's a straightforward process that anyone can follow, ensuring you have a fresh batch ready to use. Now, let's start cooking. In a medium saucepan, combine your 1 cup of dried elderberries with 4 cups of water. Bring this mixture to a boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer gently for about 45 minutes. You'll notice the liquid reducing by roughly 1/2, concentrating all those wonderful elderberry properties. Keep an eye on it to prevent overreduction. After simmering, take the saucepan off the heat and let it cool for about 15 minutes. Next, place a fine mesh sieve over a bowl and pour the elderberry mixture through it. Use the back of a spoon to press down on the berries, extracting as much liquid as possible. Discard the spent berries. Once the liquid has cooled to a warm temperature, stir in 1 cup of your chosen sweetener, like honey or maple syrup, until it's completely dissolved. Once your elderberry syrup is complete, pour it into a clean, airtight glass jar. Store this homemade goodness in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh and potent for up to 3 months. A typical adult dosage is 1 tablespoon daily, or more frequently when feeling under the weather. Remember to shake it well before each use. For socks that last a lifetime, check out the Darn Tough link and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your delicious and beneficial homemade elderberry syrup.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.